Create a smart plug for home automation using a Circuit Playground Express and a power switch relay. Turn lights or other devices on or off using any of the Circuit Playground's built-in triggers. Use the Circuit Playground's bolt-on kit, and there's no soldering required. All you need is a screwdriver to hook up the wires. You can use Arduino, CircuitPython, or Microsoft MakeCode to get your project up and running. We've even included a few code samples to get you started. Turn lights on with motion and off again with a timer. Illuminate your space when it gets dark outside using the Circuit Playground's light sensor. Or turn your dark, lifeless environment into a party with a clap of your hands. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the Adafruit channel, your DIY project enabler.